Hi everyone, welcome to 188th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Mimansha, BCom Department 5th semester anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by AR Enterprise, manufacturers of school and college uniform and sportswear. The headlines this week. Don Bosco Higher Education India holds AGM. Seminar and Zamba Promote Diabetes Awareness. 4th Deepjyoti Memorial Lecture Held. The news in detail. Sonada. Don Bosco Higher Education India holds AGM. Anjana Rai of Mass Communication and Journalism 3rd semester reports.
Don Bosco Higher Education India (DBHI) inaugurated its 3-day annual general body meeting on 15 November 2024 at Salesian College, Sonada, marking a significant event in the centenary celebrations of the Salesian province of St. John Bosco, Calcutta. The meeting brought together Salesian educators and policymakers to shape a vision for the future of higher education guided by the principles of Don Bosco. The event began with a morning prayer and the Holy Eucharist celebrated by Bishop Stephen Lepcha of the Darjeeling Diocese, providing a spiritual foundation for the proceedings. The formal inauguration followed at 9 a.m. with Father Johnny Nadangad, STB Rector of Salesian College, Sonada, delivering the welcome address. Students of Salesian College honored the guests and dignitaries, leading into the ceremonial lighting of the lamp by notable figures: Father Dr. Jose Koikal, Father Dr. Joseph Pauria, Dr. Nupur Das, and Father Dr. Joby Joseph. In his opening address, Father Dr. Babu Joseph, Principal of Salesian College, emphasized the importance of collaboration and innovation in academia.
It has enabled higher education institutions to assess their achievements in the light of the present-day requirements and also to network with other institutions to improve quality, tide over obstacles and face challenges.
Messages from Dr. Nupur Das, Registrar of North Bengal University, and Father Dr. George Tharatil, Global Head of Instituto Universitario Salesiano, added depth to the session. The keynote address by Father Dr. Joseph Pauria, STB Provincial INC, highlighted the urgency of fostering innovation in higher education to meet evolving global challenges. The inaugural session included cultural performances showcasing the institution's artistic heritage, an opening prayer dance, a Tamang cello dance by students, band music, and a hymn dedicated to Don Bosco performed by the Salesian brothers enriched the event. The technical sessions began in the Kalingal Hall, focusing on the leadership and partnership. Experts from the United Board of Christian Higher Education in Asia led discussions with Reverend Dr. Mahir Spurgeon, providing insights on academic leadership, and Dr. Anita Christian Tifagne, emphasizing collaboration in strengthening institutions.
We hope that all the Don Bosco institutions across the country will be able to relate to us and start connecting through those programs.
Dr. Anita Chakraborty introduced the upcoming Salesian Summer Exchange Program, offering students global exposure, while Father Sabu Thomas discussed the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in higher education. The second day began with the Holy Eucharist celebrated by Father Dr. Jose Koikal, STB Provincial INK. This was followed by technical sessions including a presentation by Mr. Andrew Joseph from Assam University on skill education and industry academia collaboration. An international exposure and fundraising presentation by Dr. George Collard, country representative, the Scottish Qualification Authority, SQA India. Professor Aloysius Edward J. from Krishna Jayanti College, Bangalore, presented a case study on institutional autonomy and fostering entrepreneurial approaches. The valedictory session featured messages from Father Dr. P.D. Johnny STB, Vice President of DBHI, and Father Dr. Biju Michael STB, Regional Councillor, South Asia, followed by the distribution of certificates of achievement and the felicitation of DBHI office staff. The final day, 17 November 2024, began with the Holy Eucharist celebrated by Father Dr. Joseph Pauria, STB Provincial INC. Region-wise breakout sessions explored opportunities for collaborating and networking, culminating in the presentation of regional discussion reports by Father Dr. Joby Joseph, STB Secretary of DBHI. This 3-day annual general body meeting on Don Bosco Higher Education India (DBHI) exemplified its mission to create a transformative and collaborative higher education network rooted in the Salesian ethos. Guided by the visionary principle of Don Bosco, the gathering served as a platform to reaffirm the collective responsibility of Salesian institutions to lead with purpose, nurture holistic development, and build a sustainable future for higher education in India and beyond.
Anjana Rai reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri, Seminar and Zamba Promote Diabetes Awareness. Komal Mittal of BCA Department 5th Semester reports.
On World Diabetes Day, 14th November 2024, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri witnessed an inspiring blend of diabetes awareness seminar and Zumba activity organized by NSS Unit 2 in collaboration with the Department of Commerce B and Lions International District 322F. The event began at Maringo Hall in Don Bosco block where students gathered for a seminar focusing on diabetes awareness. Expert speaker Mishra Jain, instructor and pranic healer since 2018, shared essential insights on diabetes prevention, management, and the importance of a healthy lifestyle, especially for young adults. The informative session not only educated attendees about the impact of diabetes but also highlighted practical steps to reduce risk through diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Following the seminar, the energy shifted to the common hall at Nazareth block for a lively Zumba session. Students and faculty joined together for an invigorating workout filled with rhythmic moves and high spirit, fostering both fitness and community bonding.
Komal Mittal reporting. Siliguri, 4th Deepjyoti Memorial Lecture Held. Debangshi Mishra of Mass Communication and Journalism 5th Semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized the 4th Deepjyoti Memorial Lecture on 14th November 2024. The event began with the lighting of the lamp followed by an invocation led by Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal of Sciences, and welcome note by Dr. Father Babu Joseph, Principal of Salesian College. Dean of Arts and Humanities, Assistant Professor Ravi Bhushan Singh spoke of the purpose and importance of the event. The program featured informative sessions on animation, VFX, and gaming, along with insights into graphic design, focusing on Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop by Mr. Ashish Anand and Mr. Niladri Karmakar, senior faculty members from Arena Animation Siliguri. Their interactive approach allowed students to engage directly with industry experts and gaining valuable insights into the latest trends and tools in digital design. The event concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks by Assistant Professor Ms. Navnita Subba.
Debangshi Mishra reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by AR Enterprise, manufacturers of school and college uniform and sportswear. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.